Welcome back to another riddle challenge. Today we have 10 fun animal riddles. Can you solve them all before the answers appear? Let's get started. Riddle 1. I'm black and white, love for bamboo treats. I wobble when I walk and sit when I eat. Who am I? Answer: panda. Riddle 2. I have a big, furry mane and let out a mighty roar. Who am I? Answer: lion. Riddle 3. I'm very slow, I carry my home on my back, and I love to eat leaves. Who am I? Answer: turtle. Riddle 4. I sleep upside down during the day, and at night I fly away. Who am I? Answer: bat. Riddle 5. I'm the biggest animal that lives in the ocean. Who am I? Answer: blue whale. Riddle 6. I have black and white stripes, and I live in Africa. Who am I? The answer is a zebra. Riddle 7. I'm small, I love cheese, and cats chase me. Who am I? The answer is a mouse. Riddle 8. I have a long neck and spots, and I eat leaves from the tallest trees. What am I? The answer is giraffe. Riddle 9. I'm known for my long trunk, big ears, and memory. Who am I? The answer is an elephant. Riddle 10. I'm colorful, I can talk like a human, and I live in tropical places. Who am I? The answer is a parrot. Awesome work! How many animal riddles did you get right? Comment your score below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more riddles every week.